How to fix Facebook search not working on iPhone. Whether it's not showing results, freezing, or simply unresponsive. This issue can be frustrating when you need to find something quickly. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Facebook search not working on your iPhone step by step. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. A weak or unstable connection can prevent the storage bar from working properly. Next, first close the Facebook app by swiping it away from your recent apps, then reopen it. This refreshes the app and can clear minor glitches that might be affecting storage functionality. Make sure your Facebook app is up to date. Go to the App Store, search for the app Facebook. With that, app will appear. After app appears, you will find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Ensure your iPhone's operating system is up to date. Go to Settings, then General and tap Software Update. Installing the latest iOS version can resolve compatibility issues with Facebook. Likewise, clear cache for the Facebook app. Launch your settings. Navigate to the option of General. Head over to the option of iPhone storage. Now from here, find the app Facebook. After app appears, click on it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Then click on Reinstall app. With that, your problem might be resolved. If none of these steps work, report the issue to Facebook. Launch your Facebook app. Navigate to the menu page. Scroll down, click on Help and Support. Then click on Report a Problem. Click on Continue to Report. Click on Turn Include. Now from here, you can select the feature feed. Now over here, you'll need to explain about the issue that Facebook storage bar is not working, and then Facebook support team will get back to you within 24 hours, and with that, your problem might be resolved. And that's how you fix the Facebook storage bar not working on iPhone. With these quick solutions, you can troubleshoot and resolve the issue, getting your search functionality back up and running. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.